Welcome to the channel. Today's inspiring story comes from Bangalore, where an extraordinary kitchen is feeding more than 2 lakh children every day without using a single LPG cylinder. As India faces gas shortages due to global tensions, the Adhamya Chetna Foundation, founded by Anant Kumar, has already built a powerful solution using renewable energy. Let's explore how this unique kitchen is changing the future of cooking in India. Today, as India faces rising LPG prices and supply concerns due to tensions in the Middle East, many hotels and paying guest accommodations across the country are struggling to keep their kitchens running. But in Bangalore, one organization has already found a powerful solution. The Adhamya Chetna Foundation, founded by former Union Minister Anant Kumar, has been operating a remarkable gas-free mega kitchen for more than 15 years. Despite the nationwide LPG shortage, this kitchen continues to cook and deliver hot midday meals to more than 2 lakh school children every single day. What makes this kitchen unique is that not a single LPG cylinder is used here. Instead, the foundation relies entirely on renewable energy sources such as agricultural waste briquettes, coconut shells, biomass pellets, and advanced steam-based cooking systems. The organization was originally established in 1998, and its large-scale cooking operations began expanding in 2009. Today, the foundation operates 5 large community kitchens across India, serving thousands of meals daily. Every day, these kitchens use nearly 3 tons of biomass briquettes, an amount of renewable fuel that replaces the energy of around 120 LPG cylinders. Even more impressive is the design of the facility itself. The kitchen operates as a zero-waste system, where environmentally friendly cooking methods ensure that nothing goes to waste. Solar energy powers the chapati-making machines, while specially designed smokeless stoves fueled by coconut shells are used to cook food efficiently and sustainably. Through its Annapurna midday meal program, the foundation serves students in cities including Bangalore, Hubballi, Dharwad, Kalburagi, Ranbannur, Jodhpur and Udaipur. This approach to sustainable cooking is also being used by the Akshay Patra Foundation, supported by ISKCON, where steam-based cooking powered by agricultural briquettes helps prepare meals for nearly 3 lakh people every day. In a time when energy crises affect kitchens around the world, these initiatives show that innovation and sustainability can provide real solutions. Their message is clear. Instead of depending on imported cooking fuel, India can move towards self-reliance by using renewable and locally available energy sources, and in doing so, the country can not only overcome shortages but also build a cleaner and more sustainable future. Stories like this prove that innovation and sustainability can solve real-world challenges. With initiatives like the Adhamya Chetna Foundation and Akshay Patra Foundation, India is showing the world how renewable energy can power kitchens and feed millions. If you enjoyed this story, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more inspiring global news.